How to see Google password if you forgot it. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you should know that you can only see the password if you're using iOS device. But if you're using Android and if you have saved the password anywhere on the app, then you can simply check it out and look for the password. But if you're on your iOS, then simply move into the application passwords. Scan your Face ID. Click on All at the top left corner of the screen. In the address bar at the top, search for Google. Tons of different Google accounts will be available to you. Click on the one that you want to see the password of. Once done, now click on Password. And there you go, the password is available to you. But you should also know that in order for the password to be available, you have to first of all save it in your password app. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.